Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows device where you're coming across a Windows Update error code 0xc1900201, which is encountered when attempting to install a security update through Windows 10's Update Assistant. So this should hopefully be fairly straightforward, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu, type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Underneath Get Up and Running, select Windows Update Resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows, and then select Run the Troubleshooter. Give it a moment to initiate here. Okay, so if it suggests anything, I'd recommend following along with it here, and then restart your computer, attempt to run a Windows update once again, and hopefully I would have been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.